फ्रेंड्स, मैं हो गया हूँ तैयार और जा रहा हूँ अपने दोस्त से मिलने। उसका शिप मेरे पीछे ही खड़ा हुआ है और उसका शिप टैंकर है। तो मैंने कभी लाइफ में टैंकर देखे हैं पर कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करा कैसा क्या काम रहता है। तो उसकी शिप को अपन जाके करेंगे एक्सप्लोर। और जाने से पहले मेरे कुक ने खाना रेडी कर दिया है, तो अभी चल के देखते हैं उसने क्या बनाया हुआ है। सो लेट्स गो।
Oh,
Hello Renato.
hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
From where you are?
I'm from Philippines.
Which place in Philippines?
Pampanga.
Wow. So have you prepared dinner for me?
Yeah, of course. So they did that in your
Yeah, what did you prepare then?
pizza.
तो फ्रेंड्स आ गया हूँ मैं पोर्ट के बाहर। मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो ये है पोर्ट और अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने दोस्त के शिप पे। और एक्चुअली उसको भी बाहर जाना था, कुछ सुपरमार्केट से सामान लेके आना था, तो मुझे पोर्ट के गेट पे मिलेगा बिकॉज उसका पोर्ट और मेरा पोर्ट थोड़ा अलग है। ही इज़ ऑन अ टैंकर टर्मिनल, मेरा नॉर्मल टर्मिनल है। तो उसको मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ थोड़ी देर बाद, जब हम पहुँचने वाला हूँ तो वहाँ से वो मुझे पिक कर लेगा और फिर गेट के बाद फिर हम दोनों साथ में अंदर जाएंगे। और रोनी भाई, क्या बात है यार, अभी यहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं हम लोग। अरे अरे, और कैसे हो?
और vlogging चल रही है।
हाउ आर यू?
ये अपना जहाज पे है हमारे सारे भी।
अच्छा अच्छा।
और बस गए थे शॉपिंग वगैरह ले आए। मैं कहा भाई
यार खूब शॉपिंग वगैरह हो रही है।
पूरी होनी चाहिए भाई, आना हमारे जहाज पे। चलो
चलो चलो चलो। थैंक यू भाई। गजब का शिप है यार।
This is our vessel MT Mavka. Motor
MT
tanker
Mavka.
Mavka.
अच्छा
It's a Chinese build. Actually it's 2004 built था। But आप ऊपर
Okay.
जाएंगे तो आप देखेंगे इसको। Like maintenance, fully maintenance, मतलब जैसा क्रोएशियन बिल्ड शिप होते हैं ना,
हाँ हाँ
वैसा शिप बनाया है ये।
ओके।
बट कोई नहीं, एक्चुअली मेंटेनेंस भी अच्छी हो रखी है हमारे पब्लिक।
इस शिप का पहले नाम अलग था,
बिट अक्टानिया।
ओके ओके।
बिट अक्टानिया था। तो
Okay.
हमारे जो ओनर है, यूक्रेनियन ओनर है,
अच्छा
उन्होंने अभी जस्ट 2 साल पहले ही लिए। और
Okay.
सेमी केमिकल है,
अच्छा
एपॉक्सी कोटेड विद स्टेनलेस स्टील।
अच्छा शिप है।
वेलकम ऑन आवर वेसल।
मेरा ना
Please
फर्स्ट टाइम
proceed.
यहाँ पे आने में। कैपिटल टैंकर पे कभी मैं आया ही नहीं।
नहीं, आई थिंक आपने टैंकर ही नहीं किया।
मैंने टैंकर ही नहीं करा,
हाँ।
जनरल कार को बल्क करा।
आप देखो ना, मैंने बोला नहीं आपको, 2004 बिल्ट है ये। और कोई रस नहीं है डेक पे,
यार
कुछ नहीं है, बस मेंटेनेंस हो रही है, साथ साथ में चलती रहती है।
Okay.
एक्चुअली जो ओनर है वो बहुत ख्याल रखता है जहाज का।
ओके।
उसके पास मोस्टली एक जहाज है टैंकर और एक बल्कि है।
अच्छा
तो उसके पास रिफाइनरीज हैं।
सो ब्यूटीफुल यार।
आई जस्ट टेक यू इनसाइड। बहुत अच्छा, आप अंदर चलिए।
मेरी ख्याल से देखो पहली बार है इसमें ना शिप।
नहीं नहीं, इवन आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ 13 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस।
ओके।
तो मैंने भी पहली बार ऐसा अकोमोडेशन वगैरह देखा है। इस टोटली लाइक अ ह्यूज, एक्चुअली आइस क्लास होने के कारण ना,
हाँ हाँ
तो इसमें कारपेंट्री का बहुत यूज हो रखा है।
ओके। कारपेंट्री का बहुत यूज है। ओके।
वेलकम इन आवर अकोमोडेशन।
ओके, ये वाला डोर बंद करना। Oh, lovely यार, so beautiful.
दिस इज आवर शिप।
अच्छा, क्या बात है। जिम एरिया, वाह।
दिस इज आवर जिम। सो
और फर्नीचर देखो यार, इट्स अमेजिंग ब्रो। वो लिफ्ट भी है क्या यहाँ पे?
दिस इज आवर कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम।
अच्छा, ओह माय गॉड, यार लग रहा है जैसे किसी ना मतलब 5 स्टार होटल में आ गए, विंटेज होटल में ना। वाओ, सो नाइस यार। वो ये मिस्टर हेलो सर।
He is my captain and second officer.
हेलो कैप्टन।
Welcome, welcome.
हेलो।
Hi. They are
Hello, guys.
to go shore.
अच्छा,
AB Saru.
गुड सर।
Always,
85%. Always ready for the party. That's our best.
हाँ,
So they are planning to go to the shore.
ओके।
So let's see when they will come back. So we have to stay on board. Now come to the accommodation.
हाँ देखो बारिश भी हो गई।
पहले आ रहा था, वैसी बारिश नहीं होती है।
ओके।
So this is the
दोनों तरफ केबिन है क्या? उस तरफ भी इस तरफ भी?
this is the accommodation, and this is my room, third officer.
Okay.
Can you please hold? Come to my head.
Oh, very nice, yeah. सही है.
So this is the dining room, and there have.
भाई बॉम्बे में ना एक 1 BHK का फ्लैट इतना बड़ा होता है नहीं?
हाँ, definitely you see.
कितने का होगा 70-80 lakhs.
Definitely.
Okay. तो भाई आपका केबिन बहुत सेक्सी है. यहाँ पे आपका केबिन देखा यार एकदम मजा आ गया देख के. ठीक है तो अब कहाँ दिखाने वाले हो ये बताओ.
अब मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगा हमारे ब्रिज पे.
चलो फिर चलते हैं अपन ब्रिज पे.
यहाँ से आप राइट लीजिए.
ओके.
सॉरी लेफ्ट लेना है. यहाँ से राइट लेते जाना है.
अच्छा.
राइट लेते लेते आप ब्रिज पे जाइए. ये यहाँ पर हमारे कैप्टन साहब और चीफ इंजीनियर का रूम है.
ओके.
आप देख सकते हैं ये इनका पर्सनल स्पेस है.
अच्छा
तो
यहाँ पे कोई नहीं आता.
यहाँ पे कोई नहीं आता. ये डोर बंद रहता है सेफ्टी पर्पस. क्लास अपना 5 डोर्स है ना.
ओके ओके. अच्छा दिस डोर.
हाँ, yes, you have to open this.
हेलो. OMG कितना बढ़िया है यार. अबे ऐसा लग रहा है इधर चिल मार.
Hello.
Hello bro.
Good, good.
Yeah.
So welcome on board.
Thank you.
So
Thank
how
you.
is our bridge?
That's very beautiful. I've seen like first time in my life. Yeah, such a beautiful bridge. Yeah.
Actually, he only sail in a bulk carriers. That's why he want to see the tanker.
It's
That's
just
why I
looking
am
like
bringing
a
him here.
beautiful yacht, yeah. Like I am experiencing. I have a feeling that I am on a yacht, but actually it's a tanker ship. Yeah, so it's amazing. Yeah.
It's kind of yacht.
Actually, main experience I am telling you that
Yeah.
CCR is on bridge. You know, cargo control room is on bridge.
Okay.
This is my-
Okay.
People
Let's have a look on this. Yeah. Okay.
all control from here.
Wow.
You see, for ballast tank, for cargo tanks, every
okay.
lodicator, everything is here.
That's for stability, I believe, right?
Sorry, yeah, for stability and all.
And these are for tanks, yeah. So
Yeah, for tank valves
transport
and all.
management and cargo management, yeah.
All control should be
Okay.
here. Yes.
That's cool, bro.
Yeah. You see, this is the normal meeting room.
Okay.
Meeting area, we can say that cargo surveyor or loading master, agents are coming. Everybody is coming on the bridge.
Okay.
So not going in the conference room. Conference room is only for the people who are on board.
Yeah.
They are doing meeting,
Okay.
but nothing else.
Okay. So here you have a nice coffee machine. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
our bridge kitchen. Bridge kitchen, yeah.
Yes,
so what kind
yes.
of a coffee you're having over here? Lavazza or which one?
Kind of our second officer is very talented for this cappuccino and all.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
he's
cool.
making
Yeah.
very good.
Super coffee.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. And
Now he is the bridge,
Okay,
and this
so
is the main
radars?
bridge. Actually, this is the main bridge, and
Okay.
all controls, telegraph, ECDIS, radar, everything is here.
PT. Right.
Yeah,
so
both
I
are
believe
around.
these two are the radars and there is English.
Yeah, we are in port now, so that's why we just
Okay.
this,
So it's on the-
switch off this radar for this.
Obviously on the
safety
port we are
purpose.
not needing requiring
Yeah.
these things. Yeah. What about this,
This
section?
is
chart table?
This is the chart table.
But now you have
and,
it so you don't need
So
chart tables. Yeah.
this is GMDSS.
Okay.
So bridge
Okay.
office.
So this is your place, yeah?
This
Like
is
a
the
third
mostly
office,
bridge
yeah?
office.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the bridge office, and this is the master ECDIS.
Okay.
So where we just always just do the passage planning for any route.
Okay.
So this is the
now
master.
we are
Now
in Black
we
Sea.
are-
This is Black Sea, and this is a country called Bulgaria, and we are in the port named Varna, right?
Yeah, you see, I can zoom that. This is our vessel.
Yeah, you can,
Okay.
guys. You
And
can see
your
our ship
vessel
over
is
here.
here.
Yeah, my
Your
vessel is
vessel is
no,
here.
my vessel is somewhere here. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But over here, you got this warehouse. That's why the visibility. I mean, we can
Yes,
see
yes.
each other from the bridge. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. And last days, maybe you are just telling that you
I
have
was just
visited
standing here, you know. I was here when your ship was coming. I saw your ship coming, taking a turn, and I was just stand by here, you know.
That's why you are just reading. Mavka is a Maika.
Yeah, I know. I was laughing, you know, my car.
So in starting when you are just visiting my ship, I was telling you that now we do not have wings.
Yeah.
Okay, so this vessel is ice class, so
Okay.
doesn't have any wings. The portable controls.
Okay.
This is the portable controls.
Yeah.
And you can see that all both thruster, telegraph, and you can see that as well as ACDIS is also here.
But what kind of Ignis you are using here? It's
This
not
is
Marcelo, yeah?
this
it's
is
not Furono.
I'm telling you, this is the like baby ACDIS.
Baby Ignis. Yeah.
Baby ACDIS.
Yeah.
So this is the full control. I already told you. This is the master. This is the master ACDIS.
What program you are
And,
using over here?
We are our company name is Kongsberg.
Kongsberg. I never heard
Kongsberg,
about it.
yes. It's-
Consultants.
Huh?
Kongsberg.
Kongsberg. So this is the first time I also seen. I just work on
So
JRC.
is it easy for you?
Chrono. Yeah, it's okay.
This is Denmark maker and the subsidiary company is Consultants.
Oh.
We are at labor here.
Yeah.
And next to
Uh,
the ship is the dock.
Okay.
So-
So my ship is standing just,
just
behind this, you know.
Yes.
I mean, if in the morning you can see from this place, you can see there is in the
This
morning.
near to Odesso's, it's written.
Look in that direction, yeah.
Okay. Here, okay.
Look in that direction, around 350 degrees, and you can see my funnel is black colored, yeah.
Okay,
And with
okay.
two
These two cranes there, right?
No, behind this, even behind that
okay,
one, you know.
okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
But believe me, guys, I have seen the wonderful bridge until now. Even the accommodation is so nice. Yeah.
No, actually the thing
I mean,
is main.
Take a full view of this bridge.
Yeah, definitely. I already took. Already took.
Look, guys, it's so massive. Yeah. Wonderful.
See our pilot.
Actually,
Look at the floor. I mean, I have seen first time in my life the wooden floor. Yeah, I've never seen. I've been to many ships around, maybe 10, 15 ships, maybe more. Yeah, but I have never seen how furniture. I mean, the flooring is like wood.
this
Yeah,
is kind
wooden
of-
flooring. Yeah.
This is kind of cherry on.
I mean, but for you guys also, yeah, it's first time. Yeah.
yeah, first time. Definitely.
But
first.
you guys are from chemical tankers, yeah?
Correct.
Okay, tell me what kind of products you carry on this product carrier, yeah?
Actually, only this vessel is only carrying sunflower oil.
Okay.
And this is I already explained.
What we are using to fry the pakoras, yeah? Are you
Exactly.
You're correct.
Same
Acha, acha.
sunflower oil.
Okay.
Indirectly, this is a refined from the refineries.
Okay.
And it's really a grade 1 and direct going to the packing.
Okay.
And we can
Even
use,
we are
Yeah.
using in our galley.
So
we
we
are
can
using this
we
oil.
can use directly.
Acha.
But
Okay.
the thing is, as Chief Engineer already explained, we can directly use in the galley. But
Right.
the thing is, still it's in a tank, so it's not purified.
Okay.
But don't use in the galley, so it will be harm our body also.
Oh,
okay,
that's
so
it.
and it's semi-chemical. I already explained you epoxy coated tanks, and
Yeah.
so it can take anything like a methanol, ethanol.
Okay.
It's kind of a vodka, you know. It's kind
Really?
of, yeah, it's smelling like a vodka.
Oh my
If,
God.
this vlog anybody chemical tanker people are watching, so definitely he can understand that what I'm talking about, methanol, ethanol.
Okay.
So all liquids we can carry.
Acha, there are few myths about like chemical tanker. I want to cover and take reviews from both of you guys, yeah?
Yes.
कहते हैं कि like if you're working on a chemical tanker, you're gonna lose your hairs. Is it true or false?
Yeah, kind of. You can see mine. And even you can see
don't
this.
ask this
who,
question.
who was asking to, yeah?
Don't ask this question to me. Okay.
Okay, what about the fertility? Yeah, tell me.
It's fertility. I don't think so. will be some-
Because he's a bachelor.
What about you, man?
No, actually, I am married already and 9 years already, and I have 2 babies.
Wow.
So it doesn't matter for this. I'm telling you, I already experienced with my seniors.
Okay.
They already for 25, 30 years working in the pure chemicals. This
Okay.
is not a pure chemical.
Yes.
They worked in a pure chemicals, like a parcel chemicals,
Right.
stainless steel tanks,
Yeah.
chemicals and all everything.
Okay.
But they have full hair and all. Indians. I'm not talking about
Like me,
any
yeah, the-
European and
good.
all.
Okay.
Full like you. Full
Okay,
have
okay.
hairs and all. I mean, they are in a fertility thing. They have fucking 4, 5 children also. So it
Okay.
doesn't matter. It's just myth.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
just a myth.
And
Nothing else.
do the people suffer any like health issues or something
No,
like that?
that
no?
depends. See, I'm telling you, this depends on how you are taking caring of your body.
Okay.
See, okay, I'm telling you about you are on a working on a general cargo.
Yes.
If you are loading coal,
Yeah.
okay, or iron ore, anything you are loading, so it's that dust is coming. You are not using mask, so
Okay.
it will come in you, inside you.
Okay.
Okay, you will inhale, and definitely very soon it will affect you.
Right,
so
right,
same on the chemical also. If you are not take caring, you are
Yes.
finished.
Okay.
Finished story. Even in,
Hazards are always there
Everywhere,
with every
everywhere.
with every ship.
So one should take care of our individual health, yeah?
Yeah,
And to
exactly.
take care of everybody on deck if they are working. If you see somebody
Yes,
is doing
yes.
wrong or
Always,
right, yeah, you
always.
have to take care of them as well, yeah?
yeah,
Right,
definitely.
right.
This is
Always.
our duty, of course, as we are officers.
Yeah.
So navigation we have to do from here. Our telegraph, helms, automatic steering, everything control. This chair can go forward and aft. So
Okay.
you
So
can
tell me,
see
do
that.
you have brakes on your ships, man?
Sorry?
Do you have brakes on your ship?
Yeah, no. Actually, it's installed, but chief engineer speak no like brakes.
Okay, so please explain me what about this panel, yeah? Because there will be a lot of new viewers.
So
and,
the
we have
thing
to
is,
explain
first
them,
of all, I want to tell you that
Okay.
brakes. You know what you are talking about the
Yes.
brakes. So this is our brakes.
Okay,
This
okay.
this is the telegraph.
Okay.
If we are going to forward, so vessel will move the forward.
Yes.
If we have to stop, so we have to move. We have to go down. This is the pitch propeller.
Okay.
Okay, so in that thing we have to, if we are going to forward, if we have to stop, then we have to give stern.
Reverse, yeah.
So the propeller, this is the right-handed propeller.
Okay.
So this propeller is everybody knows that what is the propeller.
Exactly,
So
yeah.
it's right-handed propeller. When we have to stop the vessel, we have to give stern. So it will be go left-handed.
This
Okay.
this
It will
red
stop.
scale is astern,
Yeah.
and this is
Green
forward.
is the
this
forward.
ahead.
Right, right.
So
this
this
is-
is our telegraph. Okay, and
Okay.
this is our auto steering, and this is the main steering, as everybody knows that steering is what in cars or trucks everywhere.
So tell me, when you are driving a car and when you are driving navigating a ship, what's the difference, yeah? How you feel?
Yeah, actually the thing is car.
It's like a small toy for you, yeah?
That's the.
Is it true?
No.
This is your
Come
lady,
on,
yeah?
come on, I cannot. Yeah, this actually always respect the lady. So I'm telling you, this is my best lady, but I have to respect. Seriously, I'm
Yeah.
telling. Don't think it's like a car or something. People are thinking outside in sea, it's open sea, no have traffic and all. I can tell you that.
Okay.
Traffic, when traffic coming in the water, if you throw anything in the water, it's very difficult to control.
Exactly.
So
yeah.
navigation is not a small thing. When it's
Okay.
coming, when we are going any crowded area, so it's very difficult. So we have to follow the rule of the road.
Yeah.
If we are going against them, then we have to go to the jail.
Yeah, so we have seen like plenty of the car reviewers or automobile reviewers, yeah, they mention the top speed of the vehicles. What about the top speed of this ship?
Okay, this is the main thing. Actually, top speed of this vehicle is only 14 knots. 14 to 15 knots.
Which means how
so
many
knots is
kilometers,
equal
yeah?
to 1.873
Yeah,
kilometer
853.
per hour.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1.8
52,
kilometer per
I
hour.
agree, yeah.
So you can do that 14 multiplied by 1.8. So it's kind of nearby
25, 26.
25
But-
26
yeah,
kilometer
but
per
it's
hour.
kind of huge, yeah. So let me show you around.
I'm
yeah?
telling you,
Yeah.
anybody is cycling also, if he is doing cycling, he can go forward of us.
Okay, so guys, the ship looked like this from the bridge, and it's quite huge. I mean, how many meters it is? 145, yeah.
No, it's 134.8.
134.8 meters long ship, and it's beautiful. I mean, it's night, but you can see the shore, yeah. So we are in the port called Varna, so you can see the lights, and we are in the middle of the city.
Okay, so far we have gone through very good familiarization on the bridge. So,
Yes.
officer, what do you say? Shall we go to quickly for control room tour?
Oh, come on.
Yeah?
This is out of
Yeah?
my
Okay.
league.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go to
This is
control
out
room.
of my league.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
So engine room, yeah.
Yeah, please follow me.
Okay.
Okay, one nice thing about this ship.
Okay.
We don't have to really pass to the engine room and then go to the control room.
Okay.
This ship is
Yeah.
something different
Okay.
and designed for some different layout. So we have
Yes.
directly access to the control room.
Okay. After you.
First of all, before control room, I want to see the Sonabat. Oh,
yeah,
my
we have
God.
Sonabat there. Okay,
Yeah, we
let's
have a
go.
Sonabat.
Okay.
Come here.
So this is changing.
So
Yeah.
this is
This is the Chenium, and you see, this is the.
and this is our Sonabat.
Really? You have a sauna on the ship?
Yes. Anytime.
OMG, man.
Oh my God!
You can go inside.
Oh
and
my
have a
God!
nice-
You can sit here, lie here, and enjoy
can
my
chill
friend. See,
Oh my
this is called our really vessel.
Here we
People are
have-
talking Chinese built is nothing.
Yeah.
My friend, this is a Chinese built vessel. How
Okay.
they are giving?
But it all depends. It all depends how much you pay for it, yeah?
No, that's it's okay. Owner paid for us.
Okay.
We did not pay. We are just taking the salary. Okay.